So we're hiking today, and our trail we chose to come down, we had to climb through a bit of a construction zone to get here. Hey, there's a water bottle. But we made it, right?
We made it!
Right, sis?
Yeah!
Yeah! Alright, so it's a Sunday hike again. We kind of try to do it every week. And we're at another hike that we really enjoy that we haven't done in a while. It's called the nature hike. Lots of waterfalls and rocks, stuff like that that the kids like, right? Weirdos. Alright, it's kind of loud here. We are near a waterfall. Obviously, quite beautiful here. The noise is coming from that. How's it going?
Me?
Yeah.
It's going good.
Good.
Chilly. Rock chop.
Rock chop.
Can you see the loop here?
Yeah. We're trying to decide which way we should go.
Green goes this way.
Are we lost?
I don't think so. Green goes this way.
No, we're taking a picture of it.
Oh, excuse me. Like, I don't feel like what am I never know if you're videoing or
Oh, I'm videoing.
taking a picture.
You're live. Is that your furry ice cream cone?
I don't know, I just think it looks weird.
It does look weird. What's its name?
Fuzzy? I don't know.
You ready, Pilgrim?
I'm ready.
Well, here, let me help you. It's just gorgeous. It is so beautiful here. I love waterfalls, so this is my kind of hike. Lots to look at.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
who knew children would like steps so much, right?
I don't get it.
They don't like our steps at home this much, but they love these steps for some reason. What'd you guys find?
Mushrooms. I don't know.
Sissy, can you tell us anything about that?
They are mushrooms and they are very puffy and they're on the tree. And one looks like a worm, but it's all kind of twisted off.
Oh yeah?
Yep. I don't really see any more of it.
Fungus, who knew? How you doing?
They just find wonder in everything.
They do.
They're amazed.
They're so precious.
And then I was like, oh, it's on my blanket now. And then, well, there's a mushroom that looks like a shell. Because it is a shell. No, it's not.
What do we got there?
I think it's a shell mushroom.
A mushroom.
It's a mushroom that looks like a shell.
Little fungus.
Oh, there's another one.
Cool.
Isn't that neat? Mm-hmm.
Almost done. We're getting towards the end of the trail. Right?
Yes. Success. No, you're right.
Good thing you're not our tour guide. So our strategy is to put the kids out in front so that they don't take us out on their way down when they fall. And we can get it on video so you guys can watch too. Smart, aren't we?
And I usually go in the very back because I hold everyone up.
Because you're the backbone of this hiking team.
Thank you, sir.
Still got All right, we made it back to the road, back to the construction site. You guys did well. Did you have fun?
It's really fun. Great hike.
It's a great hike.
We love it.
Yep. So now we just got to get through this mess back to our car and head home. All right, we were almost done, but we just thought we'd come out and get a shot of the creek and this cute little bench. I don't know if you can see it or not, but up here is a old wooden covered bridge. I don't believe we're going in the store, but we are gonna go through it. All right, we are heading through the old covered bridge. Good thing we're in a car.
Like an old wooden ship.
Yes. Pretty cool. We made it. It was intense.
So this is a new covered bridge. We've not ever seen or been over this one before.
Lucky day.
Lucky day, 2 covered bridges. Not 1, but 2.
Weight limit 3 tons.
Wait, there's more.
Amazing.
Just kidding.
Here we
This is
go.
also wooden.
It's a little Wasn't that a wonderful journey?
Mm-hmm.